Hello and welcome to Inspired Organizer's kitchen pull-out slider install video. Today I'm going to show you how to easily install a pull-out slider in a kitchen cabinet. I'm going to use this slider for my basic pots and pans that I use every day. If you'd like to see videos about how to organize any space in your home and basic product installs like this one that can help you get organized, click the subscribe button below. Now before we even open the box, we're going to go over the tools we need for the install. You're going to need a power drill. Battery powered is plenty strong for this job. You're going to want a 3/16" drill bit, a Phillips head driver bit, a measuring tape, and the screws to mount the rails to the bottom of the cabinet and the slider rails. This pullout is made by Kitstorak. It's on Amazon right now for $40 in white or black. It's expandable up to 19.7 inches wide and will narrow down to as little as 11.7 inches wide. My cabinet opening is very narrow, so I had to press the two panels together all the way in order to get it to fit the opening. It's pretty thin metal, but if you're only storing a few pots and pans, it should hold up fine for many years. Now I had some other shelves in here that I removed so I can put in this slider, a pan rack, and then a shelf up top where I'm going to keep my pot and pan lids. Here's the pullout with the rail sliders on the bottom. You're going to install the screws in these 3 spots on both slides. Once the sliders are on the pull-out shelf, just flip it right side up and then set the slider in the cabinet. Mark on the cabinet with a pencil where the screw holes are, and then you just drill the holes and install screws in each hole. Here's the finished result. Really easy install, just takes a few minutes. The pull-out comes with glue tape to mount the sliders to the cabinet. I would recommend screwing the rails into the bottom of the cabinet. All it takes is some grease or some other liquid that decreases the adhesive property of that glue tape, and the pullout can get dislodged from the floor of the cabinet. Now if you'd like to see how to install a pot and pan rack, that's going to be our next video, so subscribe to our YouTube channel below for that upcoming video, and thanks for watching.